This 2026 Prime Time Avenger 22MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 26 feet 10 inches in length and features a ONYX interior, sleeps 3, refrigerator, water heater, LP detector, spare tire kit, smoke detector, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Prime Time Avenger 22MK is 4,509 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.